The problem is these accounting reports were not designed for business owners. They were designed for bankers and Wall Street, right? So you can look at your profit and loss, and your profit and loss will say you're profitable. And what I invariably listen to when I hear from business owners is they're like, well, my accountant told me I was profitable, but there's no cash in the bank. Or my accountant told me I lost money and the bank account's full. It's like, well, that's the problem. The report you get from your profit and loss doesn't necessarily show your cash flow. Most people use QuickBooks, depending on their business size. The cash flow reports in QuickBooks don't give you good answers. They don't really show you a true picture. Your true wealth is built on the balance sheet, but most business owners and most people don't know how to read a balance sheet, and they don't know how to compare a balance sheet from month to month to month. I always call it, it's like, where's Waldo? You ever see those two pictures? There's like, find the 9 differences in these two pictures, and you spend hours trying to figure out, oh, that shoe had a buckle and that one didn't. That's what accounting reports are like for most people. They don't really tell you the true picture. So for us, what we do is we go through all those reports. And I'll be honest, I have a gift for seeing a story or seeing a pattern or seeing something out of the norm. And then I dig through and I just bring awareness to the business owner. And then we help them. The biggest thing we do is we help them figure out, what is my next step that's going to give me the best leverage. So in some businesses, we'll look at their business and we're like, you're spending too much, which everyone hears. I just got a new client who they're at $10 million in revenue. And what I basically told him is, you don't have a spending problem. You have a pricing problem, right? They're not pricing their product appropriately to drive their margins. Other businesses have a revenue generation problem, right? One month they're busy, the next month nothing's going on. Well, that creates all kinds of cash flow issues. So I think it's helping them understand that. Can you do that on your own? Absolutely. Is it learnable? Yes. The question you have to ask yourself is, do you want to devote time to it? Or would you rather somebody else wear this hat? And there's a lot of that, I think, comes down to money mindsets and money behaviors. So it's much more psychological than it is just knowledge and book learning.